This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly greasing an 8 by 8 inch baking pan. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious honey cornbread. First, combine your dry ingredients: 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk them well in a large bowl to ensure everything is evenly distributed. Next, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate medium-sized bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of your favorite honey. Then, crack in 2 large eggs and add 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Stir these liquid components until they are thoroughly combined and have a smooth consistency, ready to be added to our dry mixture. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour the wet ingredient mixture into the bowl containing your dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cornbread tough. Pour the batter into your greased 8 by 8 inch baking pan. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once your golden brown cornbread is out of the oven, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This allows it to set properly before you slice it. For an extra touch of sweetness, you can drizzle a little more honey over the top. Serve your warm, delicious honey cornbread with a pat of butter, some jam, or as a perfect accompaniment to a hearty chili or stew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.